Cross helmet. Traditional motorcycle helmets have a number of serious drawbacks. If you examine an open helmet, you can see it is convenient to wear and provides an optimal view, but it doesn't guarantee total safety. At the same time, a full face helmet provides a higher level of safety, but it lacks in comfort and visibility. You're now seeing the Cross helmet, a unique helmet which combines the best of open and full-face helmets without any of their drawbacks. The design is completely closed and the helmet is made out of polycarbonate. The large glass panel as well as the integrated rear-view camera improve visibility. It projects onto a semi-transparent screen located in the field of view of the biker. In other words, the Cross helmet provides a 360-degree view. In addition, the screen can display the route, the weather, and other useful data. Other advantages of Cross helmet are the built-in Bluetooth headset and the noise reduction system, which allows you to talk even on the move. The price is $1,800. Brake-free. Perhaps the main problem for motorcyclists is not being noticed, especially in the dark. It affects everyone as it reduces the safety of all road users. That's why the helmet we're showing right now is so effective. It is equipped with the brake-free ultra-bright LED system, which makes the rider much more visible. Let's compare brake-free with other standard stoplights to show you all the important benefits. First of all, we'd like to draw your attention to the fact that the brake-free stop signal is in the field of vision of car drivers, which means that it's more visible. In addition, the LEDs automatically light up brighter during braking, and it doesn't matter what caused the braking either, engine failure or a red traffic light. Brake-free is battery-powered and can work for up to 8 hours on one charge. You can buy this device for $150. Jarvish. If you own a motorcycle and have always dreamed of feeling like Tony Stark, then you're definitely going to love this helmet. The name points to the fact that the helmet will give its owner a superhero experience. Jarvish is a smart motorcycle helmet with augmented reality technology. It's also equipped with the virtual voice assistant Amazon Alexa. Inside the helmet is a microphone and built-in speakers. They allow you to give your assistant voice commands. While riding your bike, you can call someone, check your notifications, and even launch entertainment content on the screen. All relevant information, such as the weather or the traffic, is displayed on the inside of the helmet. So it is right in front of your face, just like in Iron Man's helmet. Among other notable features is a high-resolution camera that provides a 360-degree view. Jarvish is rugged, lightweight, and has a noise reduction option too. You can order it at a price ranging from $700 to $1,600, depending on the number of functions. Argon Transform. The creators of this invention believe that it's not necessary to spend a lot of money to purchase a smart helmet. It is much easier and cheaper to turn an existing helmet into a smart one. We liked this approach, so we couldn't help but show the Argon Transform in this video. It's a set of compact, handy devices that greatly expands the functionality of motorcycle helmets. The device includes 2 cameras that are attached to the helmet, as well as a special Bluetooth controller for the handlebar. After installing and launching the device, the rider has access to many new features. For example, he can answer calls, get speed and time data, or check the route in the GPS system. All of this is without removing the helmet or putting anyone's life in danger. It's noteworthy that the Argon Transform easily connects to the internet to download new maps. There's also a rear-view camera that eliminates blind spots and increases driving safety. And of course, the device can work as a DVR. All videos are stored on a micro SD card, and you can install the device in less than 20 minutes, and the price is about $800. Wipey. Traffic safety is something that everybody should be concerned about in the first place. For this reason, the motorcycle helmets we're showing today are designed to increase safety. What you're seeing right now is no exception. Riding a motorcycle in rainy weather is no easy business. The problem isn't getting wet, it's actually the water on your helmet preventing you from seeing the road properly. Wipey is a device that solves this problem. It's a compact product that you can install in just a second. It acts as a wiper, removing water from the visor. You can purchase it for $150. ICR. This helmet boasts a combination of relatively high affordability and a wide range of features. The ICR is yet another clever invention that can transform the way you ride a motorcycle. In the back of the helmet, there are not one, but two cameras. They provide a 210-degree rear view instead of the usual 180. This eliminates any blind spots, making the rider feel more confident on the road. There's also a special sensor that monitors the movement around. If a car gets dangerously close to the bike, the yellow warning LEDs inside the helmet light up. If the car gets too close, the yellow color changes to red and the helmet starts to vibrate. Built-in speakers will inform you about traffic jams ahead, low helmet battery charge, and much more. As well as other models mentioned before, the ICR connects to your smartphone and the internet. Amazingly, the developers managed to put 16 gigabytes of memory inside the helmet. The price of this awesome helmet is $850.